I keep waiting for this lip product to like calm down. She's still going strong. My lips. Guys, the lips are still burning, basically. You're kidding. Oh my gosh. Hi friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today I wanted to show you my little mini Ulta haul. I bought a few things at Ulta. It's not like a full face. I just wanted to kind of show you what I bought and then do like more of a casual try on. I'm not sure how many of these things I'm going to be able to try. I should be able to try most. It's crazy because I always buy lip products. So that's like mostly what's in here. I do have a blush and a fragrance that I picked up and also a little hair accessory. But basically I wanted to play with this stuff that I just bought and then we'll just do like a cute little everyday look with it, I'm assuming. We'll see where the look takes us. But first of all, my friend told me that she loved these Kitsch hair elastics and they feel amazing. So I did buy those. I obviously haven't tried them yet since I just barely bought them. And then I got, you may have remembered, I bought a while back the Polite Society Big Mouth Lip Plumping Oil Gloss, which is supposed to be like the most insane lip plumper on the market. And at the time, they only had the tinted one. I still haven't tried it yet. I've been waiting for like the perfect moment, which is kind of wild. But then when I was just barely in my Ulta, they restocked the clear one. So we're gonna try this today. I'm really excited. I'm feeling like we should put this on first. I'm a little scared. Apparently this is seriously a very intense plumper. It says it's supercharged with blueberry oil, infinity pepper, and ginger root oil. So let's try this. Here's the clear. I feel like I'm going to use the clear more than a tinted. We'll see. I obviously need to like try out the formula, period. Let's wipe off anything that I've got on my lips so that we can try this out properly. But I want it to like kind of sit on the lips while I do the rest of my makeup. So, okay, I don't think there's like a certain rule here. It literally just says, this was taken on an iPhone, no smoke and mirrors. That looks intense. All right, I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. The packaging is so cute on this, I really love it. Okay, oh, it's pretty thick. Oh my gosh, it smells spicy. Literally, it smells spicy. I don't know how else to describe that, but okay, here we go. I feel like I always make the mistake of pressing my lips together and accidentally getting some on like my tongue, and then my tongue feels like it's on fire. Okay, it's already tingling. Okay, so far not crazy. I've seen people say that it like really burns. It literally says that it's not for the faint of heart. Well, too late now. Okay, we're gonna let that sit and we'll see how it goes as I continue to apply other products. So basically I need to do like kind of a base. I didn't buy any like complexion products. Okay, the lips are starting to definitely burn a little bit, but it's not crazy. It just feels warm, feels a little bit hot. All right, we're gonna do a little complexion stuff. For some reason, I'm breaking out quite a bit along my jaw. So I'm kind of wanting something a little more full coverage than what I've been reaching for. Like, I feel like I've been reaching for a lot of skin tints lately, but I feel like I need a little more. Oh wow, the lip plumper is working. Let's see. First, I'm gonna do a little bit of this Bobbi Brown serum, the vitamin enriched serum. I recently bought this and it's just been a while since I've used it. It's a beautiful formula that works so well underneath makeup, just like the cream. I feel like it's honestly rich enough to use on its own, which is what I'm going to do today. It's kind of going to act as my primer. Okay, my lips are definitely on fire. Oh, you know which foundation I feel like has really good coverage? Is the Haus Labs. Although this shade is a little light for me, so let's mix that in. We'll do actually the Polite Society foundation in like the deeper shade. I know that's kind of extra to mix foundations, but I normally mix 2 shades of this. This is Very Fair C that I'm mixing with the Haus Labs. I put a little too much on the back of my hand, but that's okay. Let's combine these two. Make a little full coverage cocktail. I'm going to apply this with my Hourglass brush. I genuinely feel like I made way too much of that on the back of my hand, so I'm just gonna kind of evenly distribute it. But then I'm gonna actually take another brush because I feel like I overdid that. Even though I wanted full coverage, I'm gonna take a clean brush and just buff this in. If I want more, I can always add more later. My lips are definitely spicy, but it's not as uncomfortable in a weird way as I thought. Well, it's really intense, I'm not even gonna lie, but it's not like horribly painful. Like I was expecting it to be like really painful for some reason. I'm gonna be careful around the lip area because I don't want to accidentally like transfer this gloss outside of my lip lines. So I'm kind of being more careful than usual around the lips. Okay, and then we're gonna just press that in with my sponge. That's actually a really nice foundation combo. I feel like sometimes that's what's fun about these videos is like every single product isn't brand new for me to review, so I can kind of like play around and mix certain products together, and I find I discover new favorites sometimes when I do that. My lips, they feel 10 times larger. Once it's been on for a few minutes, I'm gonna put in like a little before and after for you guys so we can really see what the damage was on the lips. All right, now I'm gonna take my Victoria Beckham Contour Stylus, and I've been using this mostly for more precision contour, not really all over the face, just because I feel like I'm gonna use it up too fast if I use it all over. But for today, to kind of like simplify my routine a little bit, I'm gonna use it on the face as well. Normally I would contour around the lips, but again, I'm gonna leave that alone. I think we've got enough plumping going on now. I'm just gonna start blending that contour into the face. I'm taking what's left and applying that along the jawline. Wow, the longer this lip plumper sits on my lips, the more intense it feels. It's manageable, but it's definitely like obvious. It's kind of all I can think about. It's one of the most intense lip plumpers I've ever tried, 100%. We're gonna revisit the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I just barely tried this and I wanted to wear it again because I thought it was really pretty. But in that video I was trying like a few new products, so sometimes it's good to like try new makeup with makeup that you've already been familiar with so that you kind of know if it's working or not a little bit better anyway. At least for me it's easier to tell. So we're gonna buff that out. After I've blended it out with a brush, I'm just pressing that in with my sponge again. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of hype around the Polite Society Polite Pops Powder Blush Sticks. This is supposed to be like a cream to powder type formula. I almost bought like 3 shades and then I was like, okay, talked myself out of it and just was like, let's try one color, and if I like the formula, I can always go back and get more. The packaging is so cute on this. Look how teensy. I got the shade London. I just thought that this color would suit me really well, so I don't even know how I'm supposed to apply this. Let's see if there's any instructions. Oh, it just says everything you love about powder blush in the convenience of a stick. Okay. Ooh, okay, look at that. Really, really fascinating. Let's try it. I'm just gonna like pop it on the apples of the cheeks, and then should I use my fingers, I guess, question mark? That seems to be the easiest way to do this. I think that's a cute color. I like a good bright pink, and I feel like it's matching the now color of my lips after I put that plumping gloss on. That's really cute. I saw too that Kylie Cosmetics launched something similar. I wonder how similar these are. I'm gonna take my finger and apply it just a little bit across the nose. I feel like we should just keep this look fresh, like a little ballerina or something. That's our inspo today. It's just a little fresh ballerina. Okay, really quick, I wanted to show you guys this fragrance oil that I bought. This is from Nemat. I've actually heard Lisa J talk about this brand. I think she likes the vanilla one. I was smelling all of them and the vanilla one smelled actually really good, but this Musk Amber like really got to me. I really was loving it in the store, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on. And it's funny because like initially it's kind of like woo, and then it dries down and it smells really nice. I like can't stop smelling my wrist. Put a little back here too. I've never really tried a fragrance oil before. I like the vibe and it just smells so good. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand and like if there's another fragrance from here that I should pick up. I don't know, I was like really excited about this brand. It smells so good. Okay, let's continue the makeup. I have this on my desk from earlier. It's the Laura Mercier blurring powder. So let's just do a little setting under the eyes with this and right through here. Just want a little bit. I'm not gonna be too stressed about like setting the outside of the face today since we're going for more like everyday ballet fresh kind of look. I keep waiting for this lip product to like calm down. She's still going strong. I still feel it very much. I don't know how many minutes it's been, but definitely longer than I anticipated. I'm gonna fill my brows with my Maybelline brow pen. This is in the shade Ash Brown. My lips. They definitely look more plump. I'm gonna put the side by side up right now, even though it's still plumping, just so you guys can see the difference because I'm noticing a huge difference. That's actually crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the brow gel now as well. I'm gonna use this Victoria Beckham contour stick kind of as a cream eyeshadow today, just to keep things super simple, using products that we already have used and already have out. Just gonna blend that in, and I'm just gonna pinch the brush and apply that to to the lower lashes. I figured it would be really cute to do like a little glitter topper since we're doing like ballet vibes. This is from Moira. It's their Chroma Light Shadow in the shade Fairy Dust. The prettiest eyeshadow topper. And I'm just gonna pop that onto the lid and kind of scatter it up toward the brow too, but keeping most of that pigment in this area here, just like that. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna try out the mascara. I actually bought this from Ulta a while ago and just haven't tried it yet. This is from Polite Society. I figured this video would be the perfect time to try it since we're trying quite a few products from them. This is the Greatest Lashes of All Time mascara. Really cute packaging. Is it a tubing mascara? I don't know. It looks really nice though. Look at the packaging. I love the kind of oval shape of their packaging that they've got going on. Here's the wand. Let's try this out. Ooh. Okay, immediately I'm noticing that it's giving the lashes quite a bit of volume right off the bat, and it kind of like grips onto the lashes, which I look for that in a formula. I just find that it really helps with volume and buildability. Oh my, it did get a little clumpy right there, but not too crazy. Wow, okay. That is so pretty. I'm somebody who loves good volume when it comes to a mascara. Wow, I'm actually really impressed. I'm gonna pop that on the lower lashes as well. I'm hoping that this lasts and wears well because that is so pretty. Look at the volume that gave. I'm really excited about that if you can't tell. The packaging is so cute. Okay, guys, the lips are still burning, basically. We're gonna kind of assess the situation really quickly right now. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that cutesy little blush just with my fingers right here. And then we've got quite a few lip products to try, at least swatch. So I'm gonna let the lip plumper sit for just a bit longer, even though it's been on for a while. And I'll show you what I bought. And then I'll kind of like create a lip combo out of it. First of all, I bought 2 shades of the Precision Pout lip liners from Kylie Cosmetics. The shades just looked like something I would like. So the first one I bought was shade Stone. I love a classic wood lip liner pencil, and this color is just a nice cool tone brown, which I always reach for. I love to sculpt my lips out with a color like this. So I thought I would really like that. And then also I bought the shade Comes Naturally, which is more of like a mauve, which I thought would be really pretty. There's that one right here. So there's Stone, there's Comes Naturally. I'm really excited about these. Then I bought this right here, the Pillow Talk Fair lipstick. I'm so excited about this. I knew that they had a Pillow Talk Fair lip liner, which I already bought and I am loving. I will swatch that right here next to those 2. Here's Pillow Talk Fair. It's a beautiful light pink. But the lipstick, I didn't know this existed until I went into Ulta today. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to try this. I'll swatch it for you so you can see how nice that is. Oh my gosh. I definitely think we need to wear that. I'm trying to debate which lip liner to use. You know, I think we should just do the combo. We should do Pillow Talk Fair with Pillow Talk Fair lipstick. You know, I think we should just do the combo of Pillow Talk Fair liner and Pillow Talk Fair lipstick. We gotta see how that looks. I'm dying to see it anyway. All right, let's pat off what's left of this gloss. I genuinely feel like it would just keep plumping if I left this on my lips. Okay, let's wear Pillow Talk Fair liner. My lips are so plump. Okay, I'm gonna try to like follow the lip line, but my lips are like 5 times bigger. Look how pretty that is, honestly. It's just so stunning. I feel like Pillow Talk pulls extra pink on me, like the original. Still love that color, don't get me wrong. But I love that they have a little bit of a lighter shade for gals like me. All right, here's the lipstick. You're kidding. Oh my gosh. We're gonna focus that in like the center of the lips. And then I'm gonna take my finger and just blur that in to the lip liner. Is that not the most perfect, like cool toned pink? Oh wow. Oh, I love it. Okay. My lips are seriously still like burning. That plumper really worked. Okay. All right, we're just gonna assess the situation. I honestly feel like everything looks the way I want it to. Do we want a highlight? I didn't buy a highlighter recently, but I kind of want to use my, actually, you know what I want to use? I want to use the Say Glow Gel. But I need to use like a setting spray first. You know what? I'm going to use this Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Technically, it's not a setting spray, but I'm just kind of like craving a little spa scent. So I'm going to cover up my eyes actually so that I can test out the mascara fairly. I've really noticed that when I spray certain setting sprays over mascara, it can like actually alter the wear time of mascara specifically. So just making sure I covered that. And now we're gonna go in with the Say Glowy Gel. This is in the shade Star Glow. It's one of my all-time favorite little products. And I just think it's gonna be perfect for this like fresh ballerina look. Wow, it's stunning. It's been a while since I've used this. I love it so much. You know, normally I feel like I would have gone in a little heavier with bronzer, but I actually like the amount of structure we have going on here, and it's more of a blush lip look, not too sculpted. We still have obviously like a little bit, but it's not overly bronzed, and I feel like I really like that actually. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I picked up at Ulta. I am really loving a lot of the Polite Society stuff. That lip plumper, hands down, worked very well. I actually will be using that. I feel like my lips feel more plump, and it also left my lips feeling hydrated, which was nice. I feel like it would have kept plumping my lips had I not, you know, wiped it off for an actual lip look. Also, their blush is so cute. I definitely think I will pick up another shade or two of this. Plus, it's so like compact. This would be great for travel. The mascara was a pleasant surprise, even though I bought this a while ago at Ulta. Trying it today, I really loved how immediately I got that volume that I look for, the grip. I loved like everything about this. I'm really excited about it. I obviously will need to try out the Kylie Cosmetics lip liners in another video, but the Charlotte Tilbury lip combo really stood out for me today. I really love that. I'm loving this fragrance oil. Genuinely, like, I feel like I got some good stuff at Ulta. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these things. I love how my makeup turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think sometimes it's fun. Even if it's not a full face of makeup, I feel like that's not even realistic. Most of us go in and buy a couple of things. Sometimes they're in the same category, just depending on what we're looking for. And it was just fun to sit down and show those things to you guys, try them out. I really am excited about these, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts. I feel like some of these are really gonna actually stick into my routine. I feel like I'm getting a little ahead of myself saying that, but genuinely, like the mascara, the lip plumper, the blush, all the Polite Society stuff is really good. I'm really liking it. So let me know in the comments what you thought of everything that I tried out. And if you've tried something that I tried today, let me know your opinion. Give me your review. I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of video. And yeah, I will definitely do more of these in the future. Let me know if you like these types of videos. I always like to see what people buy, you know? So if you do too, I will continue to do these. And yeah, thanks for watching. I love how my makeup turned out. This lip combo is so cute. I love Pillow Talk Fair. It's really nice. Yeah, I'm just really happy with my makeup. I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you.